Hello everyone, welcome to freebitcoin.io. This video is explaining how you can get free Bitcoin and how you can increase your chances of getting more. And just to get straight into it, basically free Bitcoin, as the name implies, is paying your free Bitcoin. So every day, it used to be every hour, now it's every day, you can actually roll the numbers here, you see on the screen, and once you roll the numbers, you can get anywhere between 0 to 10,000. If you roll 10,000, it could be $300. But if you are getting more, for instance, 1.15 more by being a VIP club member, then actually getting more. We're going to explain it here very shortly. Um, and even the minimum roll guarantees you're going to get this amount, and it can be even higher, depends on your VIP level. Um, Regarding VIP, we're going to talk about it right away. Just explaining you here. Um, Trustpilot is a website that allows you to read reviews about the site. So, for instance, somebody here with 5 reviews was upset. He received a response on May 30, the same day. Editing the review is resolved. So, he left a positive feedback. Not everyone is doing it. And another one says it's a great site. Somebody was complaining again about withdrawal, but and same thing here. So overall, the API users, you can always find some what we call bad apples, unfortunately, where some users are not happy with it. For instance, some reviews could even be related to freebitco.in, which we already referred to in this YouTube channel. So that's it. That's about that. Now, Bitcoin is about 64,000, 65,000. If you believe that it will go even up to 100,000 over the years, then you can keep on claiming. If you're looking at the FAQ, just for your information, it was established in June 2018. So we are like over 6 years um, of establishment here. Freebitco.in, for example, started at 2013. So that's one thing that you might want to check. Some new websites always come up, and you don't know for how long they're going to stay. And you can also enter some promo codes here. What is promo codes? So if you visit this link, promo codes, and we're going to leave this link in the description, you can grab promo codes from all the social media channels listed below. So one of them, for instance, is Twitter. In Twitter, you can see this post that was made a few days ago, over 6,000 impressions, engagements. You can see that the engagements are real. So users are interacting with it. Now, if you take the code, for instance, Olympic Games, and you push it here, it wouldn't be found because that was posted in July. So you have to get a code from August. Most of the codes won't be available uh, after a month ends. So if we are in the 2nd of August now, you have to look for new codes. So basically, what you want to do is to look for codes posted after July 31st. So if you don't see any, then just wait for us to post them. And once you use the codes, you can actually get more rolls. That this is the number you see here. Now, regarding the VIP that we promised to talk about, so check the VIP here. So this is the games section, and if you play those games with 500 tokens is $1, you can play it with a little as 1 cent in some of the games. And basically, once you play them, you getting this bar showing how many tokens you played with. So if you played, for instance, with 2,500 tokens, which is $5, and you don't have to risk $5, we're talking about you could do 1 cent after 1 cent. Once you wager this amount, you're becoming copper 1 level, and then you get 3 rolls per day, not just one, and the multiplier is 1.1. And the copper 2, which is this member now showing, is getting 4 rolls per day, 115. So the ability to get rolls more than even 24 per day is there. And by the way, users who actually got to this level, they getting rolls multiplier 2.25, so that's far higher, plus weekly rakeback, so that's 7%. But let's say you only want to do it just for the sake of getting those free bitcoins, you can. And once you do it, then that's yours for life, basically. So you can basically get lots more free bitcoin. And even if you take this amount, this payout, let's use it with dollars because the satoshis are of so many zeros here. So if you multiply it by 2, and you get, for instance, if we multiply it by 2 and you get it here, 19 rolls per day, okay, the math is showing that's guaranteed 1.3 cents per day, but that's for life. And if Bitcoin goes up, let's say Bitcoin goes up 5 times in value, $300,000, again, that's yours for life. So some users are doing it after a month, it's $2 and so forth. So, and you can also do it like if you calculate it with these low numbers. You do the math and decide if you like it or not. I mean, the fact is, a lot of users deciding to do it. And that's why if you look at the contest, you see there's a weekly wager contest and the monthly wager contest, where this user, for instance, this guy used to win many contests, but now we have a new one. So you see there's always ability to win. This is in 2 days, and this is the amount of tokens you're also getting. But this is only on the slot games. Okay, will be counted. So you can play other games; they will be counted for VIP purposes. Okay. Now, if you don't want to risk your own money in the games, which is fine, you can go to the Earn More section, and here you can actually complete other offers. So these offers, for instance, giving you 63 tokens, 78 tokens. You need to start with the profiler, 160. If you get those tokens from surveys and then you play with them, you easily, let's put it this way, you can easily get to copper 2 over here. The difference between copper 2 and copper 3, yeah, that's becoming a little bit more for those one, but at least the 115 multiplier and 4 rolls per day, this is there for you. And don't forget that if you scroll down to the end of the site, you can see all the other 19 faucets you can claim from. So you can claim basically the same amount 20 times. But VIP member counts only for each specific site. So if you want to do it, for instance, with free Cardano, you would have to repeat the process over there. You can also get free games. Basically, sorry, go and play in those free games. And if you play, you can get up to 5 daily rolls per day. So let's say you want to roll more than once as a free member, you can actually roll 6 times per day. But as VIP, if you get this copper 2, which is quite easy to get it, it's talking about $10 of wagering. Then we talking about 10, 11 rolls per day. That's excluding all the promo codes that we mentioned here that we also post. But that's giving you guaranteed 11 rolls per day. So you do the math again. Why did we do it in this way? Because as we explained in February in our blog, that basically, if you're welcome to read it over here, and we referred to it before, but changes to a faucet from February 2024, we had to make those changes. But we also made a guarantee if you're looking back in those in the years 2022, and we did a $20 guarantee that we would never raise a threshold more than that. So guarantees would never raise a threshold more than $20 in value of any coin, any of those 20 faucets. Unless, of course, one of the coins, for instance, NEO, goes up more than 20, then we raise the minimum hold for it accordingly. And that's what we did over here, 19th of December 2022. So far, we haven't changed that. So some of you were worried, okay, the threshold is going to go up. There's this ceiling that we're not crossing. And by the way, we have most of the other sites have a very lower ceiling, but $5, $10. So once again, so trying in this video to refer to all the possible FAQs, frequently asked questions that we ever get, and trying to explain how it works. once again, you can go to promo codes here and you can grab promo codes from Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, which is what you're watching now, and Instagram as well. So feel free to visit those channels to grab additional promo codes. And there's also going to be a promo code in the video description. And if you have any other questions, comments, if you feel like something wasn't clear, by all means, feel free to let us know. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.